In this video, we're talking about CoinMarketCap 20 Index DTF legit or scam project. Before buy this project or token, do your own research and let's get started. So friends, this is an index liquid token and powered by a reserve that track CoinMarketCap index, and this is designed to measure the performance to the top 20 cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is for measure the performance, and this is by capitalizations and ranked by CoinMarketCap. You can connect your wallet from this website. Looks like a tracking platform, guys. You can redeem token, just connect your wallet from here. If I scroll down, I see this some statistic here. You can mind, if you see the mind and transaction here, this from this platform. You can participate and earn. You have create new DTF. You can create an index from here. This features coming soon. So guys, you have a more option here. You can also have feedback. You have DTF creators. You have a reserve form. The price is $194, a huge price, guys. This token listed on BankiSwap, Uniswap, Swap, and KCX and Bitmart and Uniswap. The bullish is 83%. This is good inside. I see some engaged and active members here in this community. This is good inside. The holders is 34,000 member. Total supply 28,000 of this token. A not good member here. I see volume 2.9 million of last 24 hours. I see some transaction here. This is good inside also to see this transaction. So guys, before investing on this token, do your own research. I hope this guide helpful for you. Video. I give this token 6 on 10, and this is not financial advice.